So guys, I'm testing out a method with tomatoes, which is where basically you are denying them water for suspended periods of time and then you're deep watering them. And the notion is that because tomatoes, especially indeterminate varieties, will form such aggressive roots, that if you do that, it drags their roots further and further down into the ground as they're searching for that deep water. And so I really haven't been too impressed with it, honestly, but also I haven't been single stemming or aggressively pruning my suckers like I usually do because baby. And so yeah, we all have our reasons why our gardens look a little weary this time of year, y'all. Don't feel bad. Sometimes I get messages where people are a little hard on themselves, and don't be, because it's hot and we're already, you know what, anyway. Deep trenching tomatoes, sorry, baby. But look, this is a Cherokee Purple that survived an aggressive transplant attempt in June. Didn't think it was gonna do that either. This actually started as a sucker. But look, do you see this guy? He's beautiful. Oh, I hope you can see this. I don't even know if I'm focusing here. Yes, there he is. Do you see him? Oh, he's a beaut. In fact, I'm just gonna take him actually because he's starting to crack. Anytime you see a little bit of cracking, you wanna take him. Because if you get any rain, which it's Texas, probably not gonna happen at this point, but if you get any rain, they'll crack even more. Now this is an heirloom tomato, Cherokee Purples, and he will purple up a little bit more. I actually love making pink fried green or fried pink tomatoes. I feel that's the best combination of flavor and texture. They're not mushy like a fully ripe tomato would be, but they've got more taste than just a straight green. So that's a lot about tomatoes on the fly. I hope y'all are well, and until next time, bye.